One of the most compelling health benefits of green tea is its potential to enhance your brain function. In today's video, we are going to discuss the health benefits of green tea and steps on how to start incorporating it today. Did you know that green tea, one of the healthiest beverages on the planet, has been consumed for over 4,000 years? This leafy brew has quenched thirst and healed bodies since ancient times, dating back to China's Tang dynasty. The secret behind green tea's health benefits comes down to what it's made of. Let's start with antioxidants, the superheroes of our body. These microscopic guardians protect our cells from damage by harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm cellular structures, leading to chronic diseases. That's where antioxidants come in. They neutralize these free radicals, helping to maintain a healthy balance in our bodies. Green tea is packed full of these life-saving antioxidants, making it a potent weapon in our health arsenal. Next up, let's talk about flavonoids. These are plant-based compounds with powerful health benefits. They're known to help reduce inflammation, aid in the prevention of heart disease, and even combat certain types of cancer. Flavonoids are like the brain's best friends. They cross the barrier between the bloodstream and the brain, providing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, which can help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. And guess what? A standard cup of green tea can contain approximately 50 to 100 milligrams of flavonoids. It's like having an army of health warriors in every cup. Last but not least, there are catechins, a type of antioxidant specifically found in green tea. They're the star players in the lineup, particularly a catechin known as EGCG. This mighty molecule is believed to be one of the main reasons green tea has such a positive impact on health. Studies suggest EGCG can help to lower cholesterol levels, reduce body fat, and even improve brain function. EGCG is known to have protective effects on the heart by reducing inflammation and limiting the growth of plaque in your arteries. In simpler terms, it's like a maintenance crew for your heart, keeping those vital arteries clear and functional. In addition to these, green tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which can work synergistically with caffeine to improve brain function and mood. It's like a natural energy drink without the crash later. So when you're sipping on your cup of green tea, know that you're not just enjoying a warm, soothing beverage. You're ingesting a scientifically proven blend of elements that work tirelessly to keep your body's systems running smoothly. That's some impressive science, right? But what does this mean for you? You may be wondering how drinking green tea can improve your health. One of the most compelling health benefits of green tea is its potential to enhance your brain function. Yes, you heard it right. The key is in the combination of catechins and caffeine, a known stimulant. While caffeine sharpens the mind, catechins protect the neurons, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But that's not all. Green tea is also a champion when it comes to fat burning. Ever noticed how green tea is a common ingredient in many commercial weight loss supplements? That's because it boosts metabolic rate and increases fat oxidation. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that green tea extract significantly increased energy expenditure and fat oxidation in humans, proving it to be a valuable ally in weight management. Moving on to the heart of the matter, literally. Heart disease is the world's leading cause of death, but fear not, green tea might be your heart's guardian angel. Research shows that green tea can improve some of the main risk factors for these diseases, which includes improving total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides. A study of individuals who drank at least 5 cups of green tea per day found a significantly lower risk of dying, especially from heart disease. Now let's talk about a word that sends shivers down our spine: cancer. It's a complex group of diseases with various causes, but antioxidants like those found in green tea can help prevent some types of cancer. Studies have shown that green tea drinkers have a lower risk of various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. However, more research is needed to fully understand the effects of green tea compounds on cancer prevention and treatment. In addition to these, green tea is also known to help in reducing the risk of diabetes, improving dental health, and lowering the risk of infection. It's also believed to help you live longer, commonly used in Japan where people often live long lives. A study of over 40,000 Japanese individuals found that those who drank the most green tea, 5 or more cups per day, were significantly less likely to die during an 11-year period. Clearly, green tea is more than just a tasty beverage. So next time you're choosing your drink, remember that a cup of green tea doesn't just quench your thirst, it also nourishes your body. You might be thinking, great, but how do I get more green tea into my life? Well, don't worry. Making green tea a part of your daily routine is easier than you might think. Let's start with a simple change. Instead of reaching for your usual cup of coffee in the morning, try replacing it with a warm cup of green tea. Not only will you enjoy its distinct flavor, but you'll also benefit from its gentle, steady release of energy. No more coffee crashes. If you're not a fan of hot beverages, no problem. You can enjoy green tea as a refreshing iced drink too. Just brew your green tea as usual, let it cool, and then pour it over ice. Add some lemon or mint for a zesty twist. Now, you have a revitalizing drink that's perfect for hot summer days or post-workout hydration. Not a fan of the classic green tea taste? Try flavored green teas. There are plenty of options available, from cherry blossom to jasmine green tea. These varieties retain the health benefits of green tea, but come with an added layer of flavor that might just win you over. Green tea can also be incorporated into your meals. Yes, you heard it right. Green tea leaves can be used in cooking too. Sprinkle some into your morning smoothie, add it to your salad dressings, or even incorporate it into your baking for a unique twist. And for those with a sweet tooth, matcha, a powdered form of green tea, is the answer. Matcha can be used to make everything from ice cream to cupcakes, allowing you to enjoy your dessert and reap the health benefits of green tea at the same time. Remember, the key to incorporating green tea into your lifestyle is to experiment and find what works best for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. With these tips, you can easily make green tea a part of your daily routine. Here are some simple steps you need to follow to brew the perfect cup of green tea. The first step is choosing the right tea leaves. Opt for high-quality organic green tea leaves for the best results. Pre-packaged tea bags are convenient, but loose leaves often provide a superior taste and aroma. Now let's talk about water. The purity and temperature of the water play a crucial role in the final taste of your tea. Use fresh, filtered water and be mindful of the temperature. Green tea is delicate and can become bitter if the water is too hot. A perfect temperature is around 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your water is heated, it's time to steep your tea. For every 8 ounces of water, use about 1 teaspoon of loose tea leaves. Place your tea leaves in a tea infuser or teapot and pour the hot water over them. Next comes the steeping process. The steeping time is important in determining the strength of your tea. For green tea, a steeping time of 2 to 3 minutes is ideal. Steeping for too long can make the tea bitter, while too short a steeping time can leave it flavorless. After the steeping is done, remove the tea leaves and let the tea cool for a moment. This allows the flavors to settle and the tea to reach a more enjoyable drinking temperature. If you want to add a twist to your green tea, consider adding a slice of lemon or a spoonful of honey. But remember, green tea is best enjoyed in its pure form to reap its full health benefits. If you learned something new, please subscribe to get more informational content like this.